Hi. We love this stuff. So we're at the Johnson family farm here in Walton, Nebraska, helping out the Johnsons while they're gone. We just really love to be able to take care of animals and to be outside. And for many, many years, I was in a cubicle, and that was not fun. And this, just being around animals, being around the smells of a farm, I know sometimes they're bad, but it just gives life to my soul. I believe it was Roy Rogers who once said, "The outside of a horse is good for the inside of a man." And so it's always stuck with me, and just love being out in the fresh air and the chickens. And you know what, even when it's 20 degrees below zero and I'm shoveling hay, I'd rather do that than work inside a building. So we love what we do. This is kind of our element here. Some of the kids help us out, and just really love it. We take care of the animals like they're our own, and make sure that we're locking gates and making sure that everybody's fed and taken care of, make sure they got water. So just love being around this stuff. And when we're not in the shop tooling leather, this is where you'll find us. So we go to mass in the morning and then head out to do chores. Just glad you could watch what we do. Hey, Jack. Hey, girls. Brand new baby. If any animals ever need medicine or have a specific diet, we can do that. Bottle feeding calves, that kind of thing. We've done a lot of different things, so we'd be happy to accommodate. There's something